Blessing from where? Blessing from where? People not Jawa. Blessing from where? People not Jawa.
Please.
Mama, me share room, come here. Don't play wrong. Don't do that rubbish play with me.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Lenzi, aka Agidaba the Market Man, and today with me, I'm here with
Mr. Cass.
I'm here with Mr. Cass, and Mr. Cass is alongside here with
Blessing.
Blessing. Wow, you can see that Blessing is really having the blessings of the Lord. Yes, so okay, Mr. Cass here reached out and said, okay, Agidaba, please, I want to be on this your prank. He said he wants to prank his wife. Not like he's suspecting anything or anything, but he said he just wants to prank his wife, and he wants to see the way she go react. Understand? Eh? He said he wants to just, Mr. Can you just tell her? He said,
Yeah, I want to prank my wife. I want to tell her that I've gotten a younger, sweeter Ororo tomatoes. So that I don't know how she will feel. Because sometimes she used to feel that people are still looking at her outside. But I want to tell her that I have a younger, sweet one. She's a prank, oh. My wife is still sweet, oh.
I know, Allah. So okay, so you're going to call her right now and let's know where she is.
Okay,
So,
okay.
or you can tell her to meet you up at. Just call her first. Let's get to know her location.
Okay.
Then, yeah. And better still, we can just give her a location and tell her where she can meet us.
Okay.
Yes.
Hello, sweetheart.
Yes.
Where are you?
Well, I'm just around the corner.
Where can I come and meet you?
Hey, you know that corner, that junction, not very far from our house.
Okay, I'm coming out to meet you right there.
Let me come home now.
Don't worry, I'm coming to meet you. I'm very close to you. I'm very close to you.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, love you.
Love you too.
Okay. Nah, I love this sweet child. Okay, let's get to meet her where she is. You know the place that is around
Yes,
you.
yes.
Okay, so let's get to meet her where she is and let us see her reaction. How she's going to react if we tell her that Oga has found a fresher.
Babe. Blessing.
Yes, alright, so stay with us here and okay. Hi guys. Okay, 1xBet is the best and most reliable betting platform where if you deposit on your first deposit you can get up to 186,000 naira. And let me tell you something, you can win a Maserati Laventade on 1xBet. All you have to do is just take part and press the take part and the take part button. At least bet up to 10 matches, and with the promo code Lenzi, just use my promo code Lenzi, you will be up and available for all these offers I just made mention below. Now let's continue. Okay, so I'm going to now call her. Let's tell her that we are here.
Hello?
Hello, Mama, where are you?
I'm just around that corner.
And I'm under the cashew tree now. Come outside, let me see you. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I've seen you.
Okay, good. So I have to go ahead.
Okay.
Go, follow him. So sorry. And just make everything. No,
Yeah.
don't stay in the car here with me. Don't stay in the car here. No,
Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, sweetheart. Yeah, how are you doing?
I'm okay.
Yeah.
Why now? I
There's-
wanted to come to the house now.
There's something I just want to tell you, but I don't know how you feel, but just feel okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is Blessing. Blessing is my sweetheart now. I just want to tell you, please don't.
Blessing.
Yes, don't be.
Who is
don't,
Blessing?
don't be offended. I'm fed up of our relationship, so I don't know how to. So I just have to tell you, please.
You are fed up of our relationship.
Yes.
You called me out
Yes.
from where I was doing, and you are fed up of our relationship.
Yes, please.
Who is Blessing? Blessing from where? Blessing from where? People ló ti já wá. Blessing from where? People ló ti já wá.
Please.
Má bá mi ṣeré irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn.
Please,
Don't do that rubbish play
Mama,
with me.
please.
Don't do that rubbish play with me.
Please.
Are you serious? Don't do that rubbish. Don't want all the things I've done for you. Pẹ̀lú gbogbo love tí mo ti fún ẹ. Má fún mi ní rubbish play yẹn.
It's a prank. It's a prank.
What is it? This kind of rubbish play is down.
It's a prank.
It's a prank. Mama, get him.
She nearly break my
Oh
head.
boy, Mama, no angry. Oh boy. Sorry, Mama. Sorry. Oh my, please, share this video, please. Wow, thank you.